Hello everyone, welcome back to Hira's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm making Lahori Chargha. For marination I have 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. I'm squeezing 1 large lemon. One teaspoon yogurt, 1 large egg, one teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon crushed cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of red food color, 3 teaspoon corn flour. Now mix it well until it turns into a thick paste. This is the required consistency. If your marination is too runny, it won't stick on your chicken. This much spices are good for 1 whole chicken. My chicken is around 1200 gram. If we grind our spices at home, their taste and aroma are stronger and intense than the pre-grinded packet spices. Make sure you give your chicken deep cuts like mine. You can do it by yourself, or when you are buying your chicken, just ask butcher to make these cuts. Cross both legs and tie them with help of a thread. Now take a strainer and put it on a pot. Cover it with a lid. Make sure your lid is tight and we don't want steam coming out because we need the steam to cook our chicken. My chicken is ready in 40 minutes. I steamed it on medium heat. Now rest your chicken for 15 minutes on room temperature. Now the final step is to fry your chargha. I am frying it on medium heat for 6 minutes each side. This time is enough for frying your chicken. Over frying will make your chicken dry and chewy. My chargha is perfectly ready. It's tender from inside and crispy from outside. After frying, I sprinkled some chaat masala and squeezed a lemon on it. You can enjoy it with naan and chutney, or make a chargha platter with rice, french fries and salad. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Hira's Cozy Kitchen. I'll see you in my next video.